Hey guys, Leela's Tools here, and today we've got another warranty experience. And today we're going to be talking about Ultra Pro. This is a NAPA brand, and in the States, most of this stuff you'll be able to find as Carlisle, I do believe. This is their 3/8 90 tooth comfort grip ratchet. So some backstory. I bought this at a NAPA store probably close to a year ago. It was on a great sale. I think it was somewhere between 30 and 40 bucks. And I thought for a comfort grip ratchet with a lifetime warranty, 90 teeth, it's not bad. It does look a fair bit like a Matco ratchet. It's not. It's not a rebrand either. And it's also not a gear wrench, but it does look similar. Definitely see where they got some inspiration. Just a Taiwanese tool. Anyway, the first time I used this ratchet, also this is my replacement by the way, the first time I used it, if we can get this off, the first time I used it, I think I was using it on a 10 or 12 mil fastener, and I noticed that it was really gritty. This one sounds pretty fine, but the one I had was very gritty, and so I took it apart. There's just a little, sort of a snap ring in that recessed groove in the back of the back plate there, and put some super lube in it and put it back together. And as far as I could tell, I put it back together right. I didn't do anything weird. And I used it a couple more times. Nothing crazy, no cheater pipes, no standing on it or anything. And it just started to go, and I would click, ratchet it, and then all of a sudden be ratcheting it, like this. And I mean, that's just no good. It's unusable. You're better off with a breaker bar at that point. So I threw this in the car, and it sat there it's probably been sitting in the back seat for 8 months. I've gone to NAPA many times. I just forgot and procrastinated and whatnot. Anyway, I stopped in there today. Very first thing he asked me is, "You have your receipt?" And I said no. And a lady that was not serving me but said something like, "They don't need a receipt, you can just make up a invoice," or something like that, they said. And they did. They made up a sort of a fake invoice as if it was a receipt. And I'm saying a lot, sorry guys. And they went and grabbed it off the shelf and handed it to me. No paperwork or anything. It's a snap-on socket on there. How's it fit? Oh, that's a nice detent. Nice and strong. Let's put something a little longer on there, see if it makes much of a difference. How strong that is. That's a 20 millimeter DeWalt. That's a nice strong detent. I like that. Let's just do a quick comparison here. There's the Ultra Tools 3/8 swivel head ratchet. Let's see how it compares. Not quite as strong, but definitely strong enough. It's interesting to see how the ratchets compare. Do I have any other 3/8? I have the old Champion Spark Plug Master. Give it a whirl. About the same as the Ulsa. So there's that. Anyway, no real hassle. Pretty much found out you want an absolute no hassle Ultra Pro warranty. Keep your receipt, bring that in with you. I normally keep all my receipts, but I never even thought about needing it for this. But yeah, it sort of depends on who you're dealing with, I think. If you bring an Ultra Pro tool in with no receipt, 2 of the 3 people that were at the desk there I know, so I think that helped. But yeah, it could be a hit or miss for you. You never know. But keep your receipt. Also, I was amazed when they gave me my invoice back that they made up or whatever. The list price on this is $86.77, $87. I think that's kind of high for a Taiwanese ratchet, in my mind. I mean, you can get a long handle comfort grip flex head gear wrench 90 tooth for the same money, or maybe even less. I was thinking about it. At that price range, you're almost better off, hopping on this NAPA or Matco truck. 20, $30 more, and you get the same thing, but with a slightly better warranty and better built ratchet, no doubt. So that's my experience, guys. Just thought I'd let you know. If you've had experience with NAPA Tools Ultra Pro warranty, let me know. Let me know what you think of Ultra Pro in general or Carlisle. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy.